Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide the player names on the Monster Train 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Monster Train 2 game on your device and you will be taken into wherever you last left off while playing. From here, if you don't wish to be shown the username or the player names, then in order to change this setting, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From here, go into Other Settings from the top section, and now you will see the Hide Player Names toggle. Just use this option to turn it to on, and once it is toggled on, you will not see the player names shown to you. You can then close this and go back to your gameplay and then continue playing with the player names hidden. You can change this setting at any point of time by once again going into the other settings and setting this back to off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide player names on the Monster Train 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.